Rotaract Club of Amenora Youngistan. The name itself is a brand now. Within a month, we conducted numerous projects. The Club of Dynamic Leaders. I am Rotaractor Sanjana Singh, the president of the club, and here is my board of directors. Our club secretary, Rotaractor Shubham Gupta, he is currently undergoing training with Infosys Limited as a BI developer. He is a fitness enthusiast. To add more, he is a petroleum engineer and my childhood friend. Welcome to the club, Shubham. Treasurer and our club service director, Rotaractor Tanay Yadav. He loves cycling and trekking. He's a BCom student. His goal is to become a good person, and he is a good person, and he supports the club really well. He's always there for the club whenever we need him. So we are lucky to have our CSD, and welcome to the board, Tanay. Our club vice president, Rotaractor Kunjal Agavne. She is doctor by profession. Currently, she is doing her internship. Her goal is to serve the community by opening her own hospital, and she loves bonding with people, and she's an amazing cook too. Welcome on board, Kunjal. Dual post is not easy, but this person has done it really efficiently, introducing our community service director and sergeant at arms, Rotaractor Kunal Agavne. He is doing mechanical sandwich engineering and he loves playing football. His goal is to become a successful man. Welcome to the board, Kunal. The woman behind the Job Hunt 1.0, Rotaractor Pradnya Kolkar, our professional development director. She is a statistics student. She loves to read, swim, learn new languages. Her goal is to become an advanced actuarial professional, and she is already doing very well. So, welcome to the board, Pradnya. Our professional assistant officer, Rotaractor Akshay Ghatol. He is really amazing at linguistics. He is Chalti Firti book of history. He is really nice at heart, and I'm really proud to have Rotaractor Akshay on board. International service, one of my favorite avenues. We have Rotaractor Vignesh from Coimbatore. Now he has joined our club, Rotaract Club of Amenora Youngistan. He has served Rotaract for 4 years. His occupation is risk analyst and he has done MBA in finance. I am really happy to have someone from other district now in our district and is really efficient and well qualified for this post. Our club's co-international service director, Rotaractor Diksha Agarwal, she is a student. Her hobby is traveling and foreign currency collection. I and her used to work together at L&T Infotech and now at the club too. So I'm really happy to have her on board. Welcome to the club, Diksha. Our Rotary Rotaract Relationship Officer, Rotaractor Vinod Mali. He is doing hotel management from IIHM. He loves cooking, traveling, making new friends. He's amazing at his work. He's the quietest person of our club, but he does all the PR, everything really efficiently. He is really supportive, and I'm proud to have him as our Triple RO. Being from Indian Air Force background, I know how much this position means. So we have our public relationship officer, Rotaractor Siddharth Thapa. He's a soldier at Indian Air Force. His hobby is playing music, hanging out with friends. His service itself defines his goal. I'm proud to have you in our team, Thapa. Our very own protractor, Tushar Ranjan Mahapatro. He is our immediate past president and the editor of the club. He is the CEO of Pro 18 India Private Limited, and his education qualification is BTech and MBA in marketing and operations. He loves dancing and digital painting, and trust me, he is amazing at both. Welcome to the board, Tushar. My dear friend, Road Tractor Shrelia, she's the World Road Track Week chairperson of our club. She is pursuing MBA from IBS in the field of marketing. She is really creative and she's looking forward to grow and increase her network. I'm proud to have her in my team. Our club's women representative, Road Tractor Shraddha Bhattad. She is a BCom student and she has achieved Guinness Book of World Record and Limca record in skating. So basically her hobby is skating. She's a Toastmaster too, and she was a road tractor before in MMRCPK along with me when we were in college together. Now I'm happy to have her again back into road traction, and welcome to the club, Shraddha.